UM22A-40090A-BWL22S supports Bluetooth BLE, Wi-Fi, and LoRa communication, mainly suitable for data transmission application scenarios. This tutorial is designed to guide the use of our UM22A-XXBWL22S series modules, using UART or LoRa transparent transmission and BLE listening with E22T series module tutorial. The following materials are required for this tutorial. First, we will perform the wiring operation for the product. Connect the 2.4 grams antenna to the IPX interface. Then connect the 433 meters antenna to the SMA interface of the test suite. Use a Type-C to USB cable to connect the test suite to the computer. Note that the TX ARX pins on the factory E15 test board are short-circuited by default. Remove the jumper cap in advance before use. Insert the E22 module into the E15 test board as shown in the diagram. Connect the 433 meters antenna here. Then connect the test board to the computer. Now we have completed all wiring steps for the device. Next, configure the parameters. First, configure UM22A-XXBWL22S. The computer opens the serial port debugging assistant XCOM and uses the module's default serial port parameter 1152008N1 to open the serial port. Note that the timestamp is checked and the carriage return line change is unchecked. Send the command as shown in the figure to switch to the configuration mode. Send the command as shown in the figure to change the name of Bluetooth radio to BLE LoRa, and the command will come into effect after being restarted and saved after power failure. For other Bluetooth parameters, we can use the default parameters. Send the command as shown in the figure to switch to LoRa or BLE transparent transmission and UART monitoring mode, and the module replies that the switch is successful. When the module switches to the mode, it will automatically perform a restart operation without worrying about the parameter not taking effect. Then configure the parameters of E22. Double-click to open RF setting E22E9XSL software. Remove the M1 jumper cap. Keep the MO jumper cap inserted. Select the corresponding serial port, open the serial port, click Get to read the current parameters of the module. We should note that the airspeed, packet storage, transmission mode, channel, network ID, secret key, and module address should be the same as UM22A-400BWL22S module. It can be seen that the factory default parameters of E22 module meet the requirements, so we use the default parameters for communication and modify the serial port baud rate of E22 module to 11520. Click Write Parameters and close RF setting E22E9XSL software after successful writing. Keep the MO jumper cap inserted. Insert the M1 jumper cap. Now for transparent transmission demonstration, open the serial port debugging assistant XCOM again, select the serial port corresponding to the E22 module and open it using the factory baud rate of 115,208N1. Open NAV Connect, search the Bluetooth of the module, click Connect Bluetooth. Find the UART exfo. Find the FFF1 channel under FFFO and click here to enable Notify. In the FFF2 channel, click the upward arrow, select the text format, enter data, and you can see the data sent by the mobile phone at the serial port corresponding to the E22 module, and send data at the serial port corresponding to the E22 module. And you can see the data sent by the serial port in the FFF1 channel. When the mobile phone Bluetooth communicates with UM22A-400BWL22S Bluetooth, the serial port of UM22A-400BWL22S can successfully monitor the communication data.